Now, also coming out after the closing bell, we have earnings from Texas Instruments. And for more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, Texas Instruments forecasting profit and sales that beat analysts' estimates. The growth being fueled by demand for consumer electronics and also industrial equipment. An analyst at Callion Securities saying that the makers of cars, industrial equipment, and also consumer electronics are ordering more chips than Texas Instruments plants can turn out. So certainly a good sign for demand. Now, earlier we did see Texas Instruments, and we still see Texas Instruments lower by about a little more than 2%, even though we seem to get relatively good news from their earnings. Also, biotech company Amgen saying fourth quarter profit rose 1%, but the earnings missing analyst estimates. This stock was a little bit lower, but now moving a little bit higher here in extended trading. And in today's session, stocks rebounding after a three-day decline amid signs that Bernanke will be reconfirmed as chairman of the Fed. Also, some money managers saying, the market got a little bit oversold. What we did see a lot of selling last week. In fact, a pretty big dive there. And so a lot of managers saying no surprise that we did see a rally, although we certainly did not close on the highs of the days. One of the things we did see stocks rallying, even though sales of existing homes plunged in December more than anticipated. Certainly not a good sign there. Financials gaining, and this, of course, on this expectation that Ben Bernanke will be keeping his job. Most of those financials performing well. Intel climbing the most in the Dow. Intel may benefit from an upgrade cycle with the availability of the Windows 7 operating system, as well as the introduction of new chips. This was over the weekend in Barron's, and so certainly helped to lift Intel in today's session. That's it from here, Pim. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.